Another one. What the heck?
County, Southeastern Mercer County, Gloucester County, Burlington County, Southwestern Monmouth County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Abilene to West Memming to Chelsea, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of producing extensive wind damage in southeastern Pennsylvania.
Wow!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
That's a big ass girl. Oh my god.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Jackson, Evesham, Mount Laurel,
Nope, it's not on camera.
Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Lumberton, Florence, Belmore, and Woodbury. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 8. Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 359. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 24. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 62. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 29 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Severe thunderstorm watch number 548 has been canceled for the following counties in New York.